Welcome to Anavio Help Desk. One of the most important features in Anavio is the ability to organize your system using sites and zones. By setting up sites and zones properly, you lay the foundation for a clean, scalable, and efficient Anavio system, especially when managing several devices across multiple locations. A site represents a physical location, such as a school building, office, warehouse, or facility. A zone is a designated area within that site, such as a parking lot, lobby, gym, or cafeteria. Structuring your system with sites and zones makes it easier to organize and manage devices at scale, control user permissions, filter and investigate incidents more efficiently, and streamline workflows and alerts tied to specific areas. From the Quick Access menu, select Sites. Click Add Site. Enter your desired site name. Provide a short description and choose the correct time zone. Then click Create. Your new site is now created. Anavio automatically creates a default zone within each new site. Click into your newly created site. You'll see a default zone already listed. Click on it, then select Edit Zone to rename it and add a description. Click Update to save your changes. To create additional zones, click Add Zone from the site page. Enter a zone name and description, then select a site and click Create. You can create multiple zones per site to reflect the physical layout of your location and better categorize your camera coverage. Go to the zone where you want to assign a camera or device. Click Assign Device in the top right corner. A list of your available devices will appear. For each device, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Assign Device. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions on this topic, please feel free to contact our tech support team